My name is Shubham Zangit and I am a student of Sarvajanik University doing Masters in Interior Design. We were all leading a normal life until the COVID pandemic hit us. It's been 2 years and nothing has changed since. This pandemic had a drastic effect on everyone's life all over the world, but the most importantly, it has changed us drastically as a human being and a student as well. We have shifted from one-on-one lectures to online schedules, from continuously teaching students meeting to online classrooms, from the book folded to e-books to library, from printing our design to sending pictures, everything has been changed. As a human, it has changed us completely from realizing the value of human contact, of teachers being grateful for their presence, all the infrastructure of our college and continuously guidance by our faculties, and of course really thankful for us being safe. Technology changed everything. We were continuously meeting our friends and family in dinner and parties to switching everything online. From attending the weddings filled with 500 members, online meet of 60 participants. From attending heartfelt funeral to showing respect through message, everything changed. We have all missed the old life. Mind you, since our online working amount of human coming forward has been increased, all the deals and business meeting has switched online. But I must say, switching everything online has been a heck of a task, but it also had a drastic impact to everyone's life. We have all started to make gadget our best friends. For working people, they can now work overtime for their jobs without any hesitations. Working women with children found online working a blessing. They can work full time by taking care of their family. Mind you, since online working amount of women coming forward has been increased, all the deals and the business meeting have switched online, which is convenient for everyone without worrying about destinations. Being a design student, I think we have advanced. New things have came into action. We have started online conference with our clients, utilizing time for keeping our mind into design. Use of resources have been limited, no use of office space, and exploring the virtual space. For the future, all I think is our home will be our safe space to work, to relax, to feed our mind and body to achieve our goals. We can make our home a better place by incorporating good lifestyle habits like exercises in the home, relaxing activities, etc. A good library and a studio will be a deal breaker. The pandemic had been life-changing occurrence. Instead of crying about it, let us try to use this an opportunity for making time for ourselves and our work. We can rethink our life and make it better to us and everyone around. Thank you.